Yo, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the Headball 2 on your phone, no jailbreak. So as you can see, I got tons of resources, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So it's super insane, guys. So let's get right into the video. So the first step is to go to this site called HexMods and just type in Headball 2. So let me just do that right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and type it in. So let me just do that. And as you can see, it says Headball 2, so just press on it, press the down button, and wait for it to download. So if you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long, but be sure to try this out for yourself because it's super insane. I've already downloaded the mod, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So if you go to the App Store and type in Headball 2, you can see it's super expensive. So let me just do that right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and type it in. So I'm just going to type in Headball. And as you can see, guys, here it is. And it is super expensive. So if we go to the in-app purchases, nah, bro. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to try my method out because it's super insane and it fully works. So I'm going to see you guys later. But I want to mention, guys, a couple things you can do. If you go to settings and you go to general and go to background app refresh, make sure this is turned on. Also, make sure low power mode is off. But personally, I'm actually going to keep it on for now since I've already downloaded the mod. But while you're downloading it, guys, make sure low power mode is off. And if you go to App Store, make sure you turn on the automatic downloads. So yeah, remember, all you got to do, guys, is go to HexMods. Once you're there, just go to the search bar and type in Headball 2, and you should be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe because this is super cool, guys, and it fully works. So if it's video worth you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. There's tons of apps on this site, which is pretty awesome. So I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane. It fully works. So yeah, peace out, guys. This is crazy and it's updated and everything. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you later. Subscribe to the channel and hope y'all got a new night's sleep. So I'll see you later and peace out.